Good night. This is participation activity case building your company's vision. Presents Carlos Junior Lozano Mejía, tutor Hugo Romero, Universidad Manuela Beltrán, Tecnología en Administración de Procesos Logísticos. Vocabulary y strategy in an AHUS process set of rules that ensure optimal decision at times. Mission: set action power faculty that is time to suit to good to play some role. Core ideology defines what we stand for and with ethics. Core purpose is the organization reason for being, hints at the deep reason for an organization. 6 billion who's making money. Quality: adaptation of a product or service to the specific characteristics. Company: organization unit dedicated to industrial marketing of service for profit activities. Innovation: creation of modification of a product in its introduction in a market. Customer: its set of interactive activities offered by the company in order for the customer to adopt the product at the right time and place in ensure its correct use. Values: degree of utility of Phoenix of team to meet the needs or problem well-being or telling. Core competence is a strategic concept that defines use organization categories what you are particularly good at. Managing: set of actions or producers towards the realization and an activity of disease. Industry: set of material operation student to obtain transform one on service products. Planning: general plan detailed in organized of great attitude to obtain a certain objective. Budget: amount of money calculated to meet the overall of project. Goal: is to with the action of disease of some are directed. Core things: the primary are on activity then a company works falling on the focus on the is busing operation. Core values are the essential in the sense of an organization as small set of targets win principles. Market: set of things operates that affect a specific sector of the goods. Objective: better to relative to the offered X regardless of one's or Y or thinking for feelings. Ambition future is what we aspire become to achieve to create something that will requires significant change and progress through time. Ambition future is what we aspire become to us to create something that will significant change as process to right. Cultural norms. Cultures are composed of shared values and beliefs on cultural norms are series of beliefs about what is normal or appropriate for the society. Market force. Force and demand it simply represents the aggregate influence of sell interest in sales on price and quality on the goods and services offered in market in general Excess demand causes price and quality of supply to rise, and excess supply causes of to fall. Specific goals. The specific objectives and the quality results in benefit expected with a strategy in carry out. Technology. Machine in equipments developed from the applications of scientific progress. Structure. The arguments on a relation between the parts or elements on something complex. Discipline. The control variable reason for subtraction. Competitive equilibrium. Economic situation of realized balance in which number of sellers can improve its bargain position under prevalence price increase rate and supply situation. Busing strategy is the free working plan for achieving its vision, priorities, objectives, competence, successful, and optimize financial performance. What as busing model system. Six time tal are hot objectives related to one object. Achievements is the origin or concept on the trial as bread arrive on the long time it does lacks sending it to as many cycles at cycle 6 to final achieve it at mic in a reality. Shareholder order of one or several shares in a commercial, industrial, or the company. The concept arose to quality in something that is like to look and that is enforced. Improved. Perfect the appearance of something or something so that is space for a regular was good strength to understand very superior. Discover. Fit what was ignored or eyes what summers uncles is found. Envisioned future. Future that is planned or calculated for the good of the company. Vivid description. It is a vibrant and gain a specific description of what it's like to achieve something is of as translating the vision for words in the picture on creating an image that people can catch iron in their hearts. It's a question of painting a picture with your words. Commission. Formal agreement rails be two or more price after marking the conscious edge of step. Simulate progress. Make a person what to the summons in interest there or progress on the company. Visionary. Visionary is an adjective that is used to praise the person to thank you to his gravity in managing or current achieve in present in the future. The concept is this way is associated with a vision on the future on the eventual outcome. Conclusiones. The reading one was carried on the Hasty Burden Use Company vision, an article with Haynes, Collins, and Jerry Sporras, where it showed is how large industries are based on different values to maintain success, which have been mined and adapted to change that the epidemic generates. The success of large busing industries consists mild in the quality of the service product customer, since the vision is a decisive innovation planning, sections of full life fundamental roles in the development in growth and industry. The article shows us what moves down the article. It is very important. It is indispensable for the growth
on us individuals in the Scrum.
Thank you.